Hi guys, welcome to Eve's docu-series. At Eve's docu-series, we are all about nature. See how beautiful our city is. This is Nairobi City. It's very beautiful, very vibrant. It's a serene environment. And guys, I'm taking you to the national park today, and here we are. These are warthogs. Warthogs. Now guys, those two were not caged. Now let's go and see the ones that are caged. Here we are trending. It's so beautiful. I can't the ambience. Huh? So nice. At Eve's docu series, you guys know we are about wildlife and everything to do with nature. The structure is quite unique. See an elephant over there? This place is cute, it's beautiful. You are welcome to visit Nairobi National Park in Kenya. Here we are with a caged warthog. Seems to be kneeling. And here we go. This leopard has been caged in a small space, but it's so restless. It wants to go. I don't know whether it's a he or a she, but the leopard wants out. Leopards are the cutest. They don't like staying on the ground. They like it up there on the trees. Did you know that leopards are known for daredevil moves? Once a leopard was filmed free falling from a tree 9 meters long to catch a prey. Huh? Isn't that crazy? Guys, they are so incredible. And if you didn't know, the leopard spots are called rosettes. Rosettes, yeah? It's a cute name. Now here's a fun fact about buffaloes. In Kenya, we keep them in the wild, but in countries like Nepal, they are domesticated. Did you know that the big train, the Karafu train, is used to woo mates? Peacocks are very beautiful birds which can fly actually, but they can't swim. And they live in groups called master or ostentation. And the male peacocks are called peacocks, of course, and the female are called peahens, and together they are called peafows. All right. This is an alligator. It's so far away, I don't know whether you can see it clearly. But you're welcome here at Nairobi National Park. There are many kinds of animals here. If you'd like to see many animals, wildlife, dogs, cats, here is the place to be. Thank you for watching.